Hello again, this is Teacher Nancy. Today we're going to learn two phonograms. The first two sounds of both of them are the same. This says ow, o, oo, ah. This one says ow, o. You'll find this one at the end of a word, sometimes in the middle. This one will usually be in the middle of a word except the end of y-o-u, which spells you. So let's look at some words made with these sounds. We have ow as in ow, mouth. Ow as in south. Ow as in pout. Ow as in out. Ow as in trout. And ow as in count. Next sound for ow, o, oo, ah is o. O-u says o in some words. As example, for example, pour, for. Ow, o, oo, ah says oo for its third sound, as in you. Ow, o, oo, ah says as its fourth sound, as in curious, trouble, furious, serious, young, famous, cousin. Now the second phonogram for today is ow, which says ow as in cow, and now. Forgot to underline the ow. And then it also can say o, as in snow. Probably can't see that very well, but it's low, L-O-W, mow, M-O-W, and tow, like you tow a car, and that's T-O-W. Now I also promised you that 2 days ago, I promised you that in 2 days I'll show you the end result of the math trick with the dictionary and how it works. So, here we go. Let me erase these words. Did any of you notice any similarities in the differences you got? Oh, by the way, if you want lists of words using the sounds of those ow, o, oo, ah, and ow, o, go to page 46 and 68 in the Victory Drill book. There's a whole page of words using those sounds. So, for example, here's some ow-o words, and then on page 68 there's a whole bunch more longer words. Okay, so here's how the trick works. Let's, can you pick a different number for me, Daryl? Just out of your head.
721.
Okay, 7, 2, 1. Now we'll reverse it, making sure that the smaller number is under the bigger number. So we have 1, 2, 7. Now we'll subtract. 1 take away 7 we can't do, so we have to borrow. Now we have 11 take away 7, which is 4. 1 take away 2 we can't do, so we have to borrow from the 7, make it a 6, move 100 over to the tens, making it 11 tens. 11 take away 2 is 9, and 6 take away 1 is 5. So, let's pick another number. Pick another 3-digit number, Daryl.
456.
All right, we have 4, 5, 6, and we will reverse it to make 6, 5, 4. Now we'll subtract. 4 take away 6 we can't do. We'll borrow a 10 from the 5 and move those 10 ones over to the 4, making 14. Now we have 14 take away 6 is 8. Then we have 4, Take away 5 we can't do, so we have to borrow from the 6, making it a 5. Now we have 14 minus 5 is what? 9. And 5 take away 4 is 1. Do you notice anything in common about those answers?
Middle numbers are 9.
The middle number's a 9. And what do you notice about the other two numbers?
Subtract the first two and you get the last one.
Well, that's true. So 9 take away 5 is 4. 9 take away 1 is 8. What if we added these two numbers? What do they add up to?
The middle number.
To 9. So when you come across a difference and you look that page up in the dictionary, there's only going to be 8 possibilities. And all of your page number answers are going to have 9 in the middle, and then a 5, or then 2 other digits which are going to add up to 9. So you're going to be able to find that number. Now I wrote down all the answers in advance because there's only 8 possibilities. And so if you tell me that the answer starts with a C, unfortunately there's a lot of C words, so there's 2 possible answers for the C. But if you told it started with an H, I would have been able to tell you it's half-baked, because that's on page 594, the 5th word down. And if you don't want to write the words down in advance, you just look the page number up. I mean, you don't look the page number up because you don't know it, supposedly. But when they tell you it's an H, you go to the page number that has a 9 in the middle, and that's around in the 500s. So then you find the page number that has 9 in the middle, and the other 2 numbers add up to 9. And then you count the first numeral in your answer, those many dark black words down, and it's half-baked. So you surprise your victim, and you have fun with it. And you practice a little bit of subtraction with borrowing. All right? Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.